even in terms of the United States and South Africa, I see by the Spirit of God how that there will be sanctions placed upon South Africa. I see how they will even again increase. When it comes to the trade relations, I see an increase of percentage. Thus says the Spirit of God, it shall not affect you. I place my garment of favor upon you, says the Spirit of God.
Notice how an ongoing discussion about increased tariffs is taking place between South Africa and USA. God still speaks.
I saw another vision concerning the nation of South Africa. The Lord said to me, it's certainly coming in South Africa, where the Lord showed me riots and I saw protests and civilian unrest. And the Lord said to me, this will be a demand for change, like a revolution.
Quite a vocal crowd, not too large a crowd, but a vocal crowd gathered here at, I think it's called Ekium Park. It's in Parklands. And we've spoken to quite a number of them telling us that the reason that they are here today is to make their voices heard against undocumented migrants in South Africa. I mean, one of the questions that I posed to some of the leaders here is that we've already seen numbers of people being repatriated and that government is taking action. Why then the need still to go ahead with these protests and also to go ahead with the bigger protest come next Tuesday? They were telling us that they have had enough of South Africans not being put first in their words.